All right, my friend, welcome. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. And in this video, we're going to continue our exercise series on the best suspension trainer and body weight exercises. Today, we're going to cover the TRX Y, which is an extremely effective exercise for your upper back and your core. We're going to cover all the key form points, give you some ideas on best sets and reps you can use, and you're going to learn a ton. Let's dive on in. FitFatherProject.com. All right, so the TRX Y starts off with a standard suspension training system, which we have here, set up here on our pull-up bar. And what you want to do, the first thing is grab both handles, and you want to lean back, keeping your arms nice and tight at your sides. And what you want to do is the farther you lean back, the harder the exercise is going to be. So if I have my feet far away from me, it's going to be harder than if I'm more upright. So I recommend when you're starting to stay a little more upright to gauge the strength of your lower traps as you're doing this exercise. So I like to start here and maybe around a 30% pitch. First move is I'm going to allow my arms to glide. What you don't want is allow your upper back to round out like this. I'm still keeping my shoulder blades retracted like this, not allowing my shoulders to glide forward like this. This is good start position. Head is in line with my body. I like to tuck your chin slightly. And now you're going to open up here. Squeeze at the top, come down nice and slow right to here. Again, one more time, head, spine stays neutral, come up, squeeze at the top. What I'm not doing is rounding my back. My low back is not flying out like this. So what you're not seeing me do is looking like a banana up here. I'm keeping that core tight just like this. And I'm keeping those shoulder blades retracted, and I'm coming up, and I'm a straight line right at the top. Another mistake I see a lot of people make is they allow the TRX handles to glide out way too far out this way. The TRX Y is not like a rear delt fly like this. TRX Y, the optimal travel of the TRX is at like almost like a 45-degree angle upward. So it's not here, it's not here, it's somewhere right in the middle here. And I want to get that good contraction at the top, come up, squeeze, right down, slow and controlled on the way down. Squeeze, slow control the way down. Another mistake I see people make is on the top, once they're here, they just let it hang. The negative portion of this rep, where you can slowly control it down, is really what creates a lot of tension on your traps and your upper back. So again, up here, nice, slow, controlled, hold for a second contraction, control it right back down, right to here, not allowing the arms to glide forward. So that is how you do a TRX Y. If you're just starting out, I recommend that you use this as a higher rep exercise towards the end of your workout. Whatever your workout routine is, TRX Ys are a great finisher. So maybe try to do 2-3 sets of anywhere to 12 to 15 reps. If you're doing it right, you're gonna feel a big burn in your upper back and your lower traps. And it's just a really great supplement exercise that'll keep your shoulder very healthy, because a lot of times when we do a lot of weightlifting, a lot of bench pressing, our shoulder tends to roll forward and our chest gets very tight. TRX Ys are a great exercise for teaching you to open up and to have a strong upper back that will, create the right kind of balance between a tight chest. So it's a really important exercise for shoulder health as well. I hope you learned a ton. If you love this, I want to invite you to subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We publish new videos like this every single week on, yes, exercise tutorials, but also the key stuff you need to know about nutrition, motivation, supplementation, all the important things to stay strong and healthy for life. That's what we do here at the FFP. Also, you might want to check out some of our other great videos in this playlist on the best TRX and bodyweight exercises, as well as some of our popular videos from our channel. Look forward to see you there. I want to invite you to subscribe, check us out, and I'll talk to you very soon, my friend.